Okay, so who had nothing wrong with the transmission on their bingo card? This is the bottom of my X3. It's a M54 engine here. That's where the torque converter plugs in. It was seized to that. This rotates together with the torque converter, and that was seized. No big deal. You got it apart. No evidence of anything rattling around in the bell housing. The other side of the bell housing is over here. It's my transmission. No evidence of anything rattling around in here anywhere. And the torque converter here seems okay. These plates have no cracks. No cracks. No cracks, no cracks, no cracks. Everything fine. Looks fine, looks fine. So everything in the bell housing looks fine. So where the heck is the noise coming from? Transmission, right? Well, maybe. There's nothing obviously wrong with it from the outside. It's not much you can check here, but you can rotate the transmission and see if it's smooth. It seems to be smooth, but can't reproduce that sound while it's on the stand here. So I'm left with kind of a shrug emoticon. The most likely suspect is, it's unusual, but it can happen. Something inside the transmission vibrating down and into the bell housing and causing sound, the sound that I'm hearing. It's certainly not torque converter or the flywheel or the bracket there. The starter, by the way, is right here. There's no signs of wear on the starter gear. I forget what that thing's called offhand. And there's no sign of wear on the flywheel. So I'm not sure what's caught. I'm not sure what the deal is here, but most likely suspect is this guy. You can pick these up used, relatively cheap. To rebuild this, thousands of dollars, but to get one that's used, not so bad. Anyway, that's the situation. I'm gonna cut it off here. It's September 2025, BMW X3 2005, 185,000 miles.